morning. Today is our last day in Orlando. Pretty much, we just got up. Time for breakfast. I'm going to show you who was responsible for breakfast today.
I think put your food back. Eggs and bagel and sausage. I gave him sausage, he put it back. I gave him bagel, he put it back. Okay, well why did I make his plate again? He might eat this one?
Yeah, I didn't know what she had made.
Oh.
I didn't know
Let me see. Here, you want that? Cookie, cracker, somebody.
Yeah.
Eat it. It's blueberry. Eat it now. I know when you
It has to cool off.
How was stove like that?
Oh, hi. You got it with almost everything on now. It was blueberry right here. If y'all, it was like 2 more blueberries if y'all want one.
You gonna fall? Hey. Come on, RJ, get these cards up now.
Alright, so it's pool time. The little one wants to get in the pool. The other little one is already out. He's already out. And now she's ready. So let's go get in the pool. What's going on, guys? So we are fresh out the pool. Basically, I have freshened up. Everybody else is lounging around, but we're preparing for lunch this afternoon, which me and my wife is responsible for lunch, as you can see. All right, guys, the real chef is here. All the fake ones can move out. I don't cook. I don't have a problem saying I don't cook.
Admitting.
But my wife does all the cooking in my personal home. So basically we are doing chicken and ground turkey tacos this evening for lunch. She is preparing the meat, or is already prepared. And you have chips and salsa and tortillas, dip, cheese dip, verde salsa. I absolutely love verde salsa. And we have like some pico tomatoes or whatnot. But yeah, so that's what we're about to do at this moment. I guess all I would do would put items in the bowls and place them on the bar for people to get. All right. lime, my favorite. I would never get regular corn chips again.
That's why he's the real fake chef.
Just like that, I'm done. Master Chef is done. I did all the work. You can see the sweat glistening. I put in all the hard work. We done. Here it is. Hard tacos, ground turkey, chicken, tomato, cheese, pico, sour cream, taco sauce, verde sauce. My favorite.
You didn't open the taco sauce and the verde sauce?
This. And my helper who just set everything out. Nah, I'm joking. She did the hard work. She ground the turkey and the chicken. I just helped put stuff out. I'm not a cook. Ready? Order ready, pick up.
We're dying.
Lunch is served. That was Luke right there. Luke ain't nowhere.
Luke was outside with us in the game room. I done messed up.
So guys, tacos was a success.
It's good.
I'm on my second plate.
Good choice.
Notice he on his second plate. I'm still on my first plate.
Anyway, it's good. Dari, it's good? Oh, okay.
All right.
RJ getting chips. But yeah, everybody else is outside eating. About to eat this stuff. It's what?
It's a big chip.
It's a big chip.
Yeah, big chip.
Second plate. Yes, yes. Yeah, bless him. Oh my God. Hallelujah. Yes, you missed it. He was going in.
Yes, bless him, RJ.
Hallelujah.
RJ, you done fell out?
Man him.
He on the ground?
Hallelujah.
Yep.
He done fell out. Let's praise him. Woke him out.
You shouting too, Dari? Dari,
Hallelujah, Nana lady.
look, she gotta work on something. Why you licking them chips like that? What's going on, guys? So tonight we are headed to Disney Springs to walk around and possibly do the trailer trees. All right.
Oh, there goes spanking stick.
Everybody's on the van.
Oh, it's the thing.
What's up, guys? We are here, so of course I'm being dad, so I can't promise you guys I'll get so much footage or anything, but I do my best.
Hey, so I took over the vlogging for a second, right? So we are in Legoland, Orlando, downtown Disney. I don't know if that's what you want to call it, whatever. It is like so many people here, but they got a lot of cool stuff. So I'll take you on a quick little tour.
Oh, my bad. I'm running right into the camera.
You want to do something about it?
Now, sweet dancing is really easy. It's a bunch of patty cakes and kicking. I'm exhausted. Ooh. All right, I have an idea. How about we try a little twist? It's a nice, easy one.
Good morning, guys. Say it.
Good morning, guys. We take a floor for the parade of the film. And we go to Disney World, so then we got to Disneyland.
Alrighty, so
Yes,
we're getting ready
thankful,
to
Mama.
head back to Atlanta. Everybody's pretty much cleaning up, packing up, getting dressed. We're pretty much packed.
We're gonna pack.
We just waiting to get these two dressed. Say hi, RJ. And basically, we're gonna be back on the road to Atlanta. 6 hours and some change.
Get some change.
And we had a blast here, in spite of, you know, some obstacles, some challenges. But overall, we had a wonderful time with family.
Good first time family vacation for the kids.
Yes. good first time family vacation for the kids. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All right, peace. Say bye-bye. Bye. Say bye-bye, RJ.
I went in there.
He let me down.
Daddy, thank you for allowing us to wake up and finding all is well, for being in our right minds, our health and our strength. God, even though there may be some aches and pains, God, we're still yet mobile, and we thank you and we praise you for that, oh God. God, we thank you for this time that we had, that we spent. Thank you, oh God, for the rest that we got.
Say bye-bye. See you later, Disney World.
See you later, Disney World.